Hello again and welcome to this DBA Learning Edition. Today we're going to learn how to create a new SQL Server database. Let's hop into Management Studio real quick. Okay, here we go. There are two ways that you can do this. You can either use a SQL query to create it, or you can use an Object Explorer right here on the left pane to do this. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to drop this database after creating it so I can be able to recreate it using the Object Explorer on the left. So just run the query, execute, command successfully. Okay, refresh, then you see that there's a new DB right here. Okay, I'm going to drop this. So after dropping it, I will recreate it with the Object Explorer. See, notice when I created this, I had to refresh it for it to appear. When I use the Object Explorer to create it, it's not going to be the same thing. So it's just going to appear immediately I hit OK. Let's DB, just drop this. When I execute this, it's gone. So now when I refresh, it won't be there anymore. Okay, so this is gone. Now let me right click the database and create a new one. So right click, new database. Okay, so then give your database a name. I'm gonna give it the same name as before, Mixture DB. Notice how the name is changing, the logical name is changing on the left here. Next option, the collation is the default. It's going to take the default collation of SQL Server. Recovery model, we're going to learn this in a later class, but I use simple recovery model when I'm creating a database in a non-production environment. Containment type, compatibility level, file groups. Click OK. It creates your new database, and that just appeared right there. Okay, go to properties. I'm going to see all those properties that we specify. See, the owner is SA. I like using SA as the owner because if you don't, it's going to take your name or the whatever account that you use in creating it. So the dates of creation, the size of the database, default size. You go to files, it's going to show you the logical name, SQL and then the logs, and then the file location here. See the file name, the MDF and LDF, the log, file group, the options. See the collation, took the default collation, which is the Latin one. The simple recovery model, I'm going to change tracking. Permissions, this is where all the permissions appear. Okay. So this is really a very simple way of creating a database. Okay, so this database is empty. We don't have any tables right now. We're going to create a table next. Look at the security users. There's no user because it's a brand new database. We don't have any users in the server right now except the admin user. Okay, this is how you create a SQL Server database. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or comment